Hello all. So here we will use the circuit for making our health node, which is going to be a wristband node, and we will be using this XIAO ESP32-C3 circuit, where I have attached the battery connection I have done. These are the battery connection that we will do. I have already done in the circuit board, and applied a the glue gun, and also connected a switch which will help us to connect with battery and all. I'm using over here a 135 milliampere battery, which is very sufficient enough to control all the circuitry. We will be using a MPU 6050 for accelerometer and gyroscope, and we will be using max 30102 module, which will help us to identify heart rate and the pulse oxygen meter, right? And we have also added the buzzer over here. You can remove this tape for a better sound. So buzzer is added over there, and this PCB you can print it as I shared a link. Here I have made it manually right now, but you can also print it well and make a good printing out of it. So I will first we have used a female header over here, and I will take it this particular part and add it over here, and I will also use this ESP32 for adding over here like this. You can add so that the pin of USB jack going to be on that side. So this is how we just need to fix it, right? It's a simple thing. I've already soldered this because it's need to be on the back side, so like that. And you can put your battery over there, and just with this we can also put it in the case. So this is how connection of the circuit we will do: buzzer, heart rate controller, and the accelerometer and gyroscope, and ESP32 we have connected, battery with switch, right? Now it's time for the casing. Casing is done in a such a way that over here you will place the circuit board, but before that casing we need to add a band over here. It's a elastic band which will be used in textile, so we will add some hot glue gun over there. So you can also add it like that. Just stick it over there. Over here also we need to add it. Like this. Do that. Then we will place our circuit board over there in this fashion, so that it will be affixed over there. You can see in the chamber it will be affixed over there, and over here you can see the sensor, right? It will be visible. Before that we will also need to put this switch over there so that it will be placed well, or it's better we can just put it over here. We will put it away. Now this is how the connection is, and we will just put some amount of glue gun over here and also over here. Then just fix your casing in a way that the switch will go in that cavity. And we will also be able to see the sensor. like this. You can see the sensor over here. Just pull it over this side and the switch will also appear over here, and the sensor will also appear over here, right? Then we will also going to use this part as a cover, and you can also glue the cover over here. And then it's good to go. You can directly put it in your hand like this or like this, and it will be affixed well. The sensor part will be visible over here. You can also use a more tighter band, which will be helpful for a cross section of it. You can also place it like this. It won't go. It's heavy right now, but will also reduce the case weight, and that will be helpful in that. So this is what the main health node is. Thank you.